I left. Oh, ate that branch right there.
Just got this in today. Ecotric suspension front fork. About to attempt to install it on my Ecotric. Alright, I started on loosening this up to get the front fork off. Down, I'll take the front wheel off, take the brakes off. That'll be it. I'm gonna rely solely on the smooths. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can tighten this down enough where the cable won't move. Alright. I'm gonna be loosening the brakes up, these two bolts right here. And I guess I could take the cable out through here. Hope I don't have to break this off. I shouldn't have to. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Once I do that, I'll drop the front wheel and take the fork off. Okay, I went ahead and took the front wheel off. Over there. Drop the front fork, and I'll take the cable off the brake and see if I can run it through this holder right here. I'm loosening the neck up. I'm gonna just take this off, make the handlebars fall off. Okay, so I lifted the handlebars off. Now there's these two ring scoops. This one, it just slides off. Put that over here for now. And a little one. Get that over here. Fork is ready to come out. So let me take this out. I don't know if there's anything under the bottom that needs to. Doesn't look like it. Alright, so I'm gonna, I guess, exchange the forks. Okay, put the other fork in. I guess I'll put the front wheel back on and start bolting it up. Maybe I should put the handlebars on first. Yeah, I'll put the handlebars on first and the front wheel. All right, the fork is on. I'm so happy the starter is already, came pre-installed. So happy I don't have to go through that. Okay. I'm gonna insert this back on first, I guess. Put this back on. All right, so now I'm gonna install the handlebars, then I'll put the front wheel back on. Okay, so I went ahead and freed the brake line from the old fork. Just gonna hold this, keep it in place. Gonna put the front wheel back on now. Once I do that, I'll put the brakes back on, and this is on. Just gotta really tighten it down. Alright, so I got the front wheel on. Front one up a couple inches. But yeah, it looks good. So I'm gonna see if I could put the front fork, the fender back on, and the headlight and the brakes. And tighten everything down. And hope I get into no hitches. See how this wires. Alright, this wire is short. I gotta stretch it out a little. Okay, so I got the fender headlight back on. The fender needs a little work. I'm gonna get another bolt and put it here. Either that or I get a space washer long enough to fill this gap here. So this will really be tightened. But right now it's gonna hold pretty good right now. At least until I could get to Home Depot. So maybe I could get a nut for that. Or a space washer. So far so good. Alright, so I'm gonna put the brakes back on. Okay, I ended up getting some of these plastic washers from Home Depot. And as you can see, it holds real tight. Holds real firm.
Oh, we gotta go on that trail. The homeboys over there that. Yo! Damn, I only got 2 bars left. You sure this is the right way, man? Hmm? The what? Oh, the front. Oh, what? Yeah. I know better yesterday. Oh, you left. Oh! Ate that branch right there. Yo, you sure we going the right way, man? Oh, yeah. We gotta go over there. Is it over there? Damn. They out too. Y'all take over there one day.
So I try to do more puzzles than that.
Nah, you good on that one.
Yeah, I got one bar.
One bar?
Mission.
Oh. I was about to say how.
I'm gonna have to put a post back over.
Bomba clot. Huh? I hope. First, I'm like, what the fuck is that?